Welcome to Healthforyou. Our lungs work tirelessly, filtering the air we breathe every second. In today's world of pollution and stress, supporting lung health is more important than ever. It's not just about avoiding harm, it's about nourishing your lungs from within. Today, we'll reveal 19 everyday foods that can boost your lung function and help you breathe easier. Each food on our list is packed with nutrients proven to benefit your respiratory system. Whether you want to manage asthma, fight pollution, or simply breathe better, this guide is for you. Let's dive in. First up, apples. Loaded with quercetin and vitamin C, apples shield your lungs from pollution and inflammation. Studies show regular apple eaters have a slower decline in lung function, especially ex-smokers. Just one apple a day can help keep your airways healthy. Simple, delicious, and effective. Next, carrots. Their beta-carotene converts to vitamin A, which protects and repairs your lung lining. This is especially helpful for asthma sufferers, reducing flare-ups and inflammation. Enjoy them raw, cooked, or in salads for a lung-friendly boost. Carrots are an easy way to fortify your lungs. Grapefruit is a lung-cleansing citrus. Its flavonoids, especially naringin, help neutralize toxins and reduce lung damage. Grapefruit is particularly helpful for those with chronic respiratory issues like COPD. A glass of juice or half a grapefruit at breakfast can make a difference. Add this tangy fruit to your routine for cleaner airways. Oranges are more than an immune booster. Their vitamin C fights airway inflammation and supports oxygen transfer in the lungs. Healthy alveoli mean better breathing and energy. Snack on oranges or sip fresh juice for a daily lung lift. It's a tasty way to support your respiratory health. Spinach is a folate powerhouse. Folate protects lung cells from pollutants and may lower lung cancer risk, especially for ex-smokers. Spinach also contains antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. Add it to salads, smoothies, or sautés for a green lung boost. Spinach is a simple, powerful ally. Garlic's allicin fights inflammation and may lower lung cancer risk. It helps your body clear toxins and supports immune defense in the airways. Studies link regular garlic consumption to healthier lungs, even in smokers. Add fresh garlic to meals for a flavorful, protective punch. Small changes, big benefits. Ginger is a natural expectorant and anti-inflammatory. It helps clear mucus and relaxes bronchial muscles, making breathing easier. Especially helpful for asthma and congestion. Enjoy ginger in tea, stir-fries, or smoothies for open airways. A warming spice for clear lungs. Turmeric's curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory for your lungs. It helps fight chronic lung diseases and protects delicate lung tissue. Pair turmeric with black pepper for better absorption. Add it to soups, curries, or warm milk for daily protection. A golden spice for healthy breathing. Salmon is rich in omega-3s, which reduce lung inflammation. These healthy fats improve circulation and help manage asthma and COPD symptoms. Regular servings of salmon or other fatty fish can boost your lung function. Try it grilled, baked, or in salads. Seafood for stronger lungs. Beans are packed with magnesium, a natural bronchodilator. They help relax airways and ease breathing, especially for asthma sufferers. Beans also provide antioxidants and fiber for overall lung and immune health. Add them to soups, salads, or chili for a simple boost. Affordable and effective. D. Whole grains like oats and brown rice reduce the metabolic load on your lungs. They produce less carbon dioxide during digestion, easing strain on your respiratory system. Rich in vitamin E and selenium, they also fight inflammation. Swap refined grains for whole grains for better breathing, a smart, easy switch. Coffee's caffeine acts as a mild bronchodilator, opening airways. It can provide temporary relief for asthma and improve lung function. Studies link moderate coffee intake to better respiratory health. Enjoy your morning cup with an extra reason to smile, just don't overdo it. Hydration is key for lung health. Water keeps mucus thin, making it easier to clear out irritants and prevent congestion. Dehydration thickens mucus, increasing infection risk. Drink water throughout the day for clear, healthy airways. Simple, essential, and often overlooked. Berries are antioxidant powerhouses, especially anthocyanins. They protect lung tissue from oxidative stress and slow age-related decline. Studies show berry-rich diets preserve lung function in older adults. Add them to yogurt, smoothies, or snacks. Delicious defense for your lungs. Broccoli's sulforaphane activates your lungs' natural detox system. It helps clear pollutants and reduces inflammation, especially in COPD. Eat it raw or lightly steamed for maximum benefit. Broccoli is a green powerhouse for lung health. Add it to your meals for a detox boost. Pumpkin is loaded with carotenoids and vitamin C. These nutrients protect and repair your respiratory lining. Pumpkin also provides potassium for overall lung and immune support. Enjoy it roasted, in soups, or as a healthy dessert. Autumn's gift to your lungs. Peppers, especially red and yellow, are vitamin C superstars. They reduce airway inflammation and protect lung tissue. Peppers are also rich in carotenoids for extra protection. Add them to salads, stir-fries, or snacks for a colorful boost. Crunchy, tasty, and lung-friendly. Nuts like almonds and walnuts are rich in vitamin E and healthy fats. They help reduce airway inflammation and protect lung cells. Walnuts also provide plant-based omega-3s. A small handful daily supports lung function. Easy, satisfying, and protective. Extra virgin olive oil is packed with anti-inflammatory polyphenols. It helps reduce chronic lung inflammation and shields against pollution. Use it as your main cooking fat or salad dressing. Olive oil is a Mediterranean secret for healthy lungs. Simple swaps, big impact. That's 19 powerful foods to help you breathe easier and live better. By adding these to your diet, you're investing in your lung health every day. Which foods are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Every breath is a gift. Take care of your lungs. Until next time, stay healthy and breathe well.